Hello, my sweets. Welcome back to the vlog. And this is the inside of my refrigerator. I'm about to make some chips. So that's what you see there. I have all this food from cooking a big meal. I just was throwing everything in my refrigerator and the refrigerator is a mess. Also, one Mr. Nobody spilled something in the refrigerator. We can't find who did it, but mommy's got to clean it. You know, if you're a mom, there's a Mr. Nobody in your house, just like there is in mine. So yes, they spilled something in there. I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up. And while I was working, my bestie called and we haven't spoken in a long time, so we're playing catch up. So please do not mind me. Let me enjoy my bestie a little bit. Hey girl, you know I love you, right, Jack Blay? So I'm just going to be quiet and allow y'all enjoy me work. In case I have to say something, I'll just stop in and say it quickly. Or if there's something going on in the kitchen that I want y'all to hear, then you will hear. But for now, just enjoy watching me work.
Where? How can you on the toothpick?
that is it, y'all. All that is left is for me to put away my eggs, and I line one of the trays with a non-skip mat so they're not rolling around, and I arrange it in there. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and are inspired to get up and clean out your refrigerator. Until I see you in the next one, please be safe out there and be good. See y'all later. Look, look how, whew, so good. This is how you enjoy tube when it's steaming hot.